Today I'm showing you how to import a dashboard screen from Figma to V0. I will then let AI work its magic to generate code and fine-tune every detail. Whether you are a designer with a vision or non-developer wants to bring ideas into life, this tutorial is a game changer. Let's dive in and transform your creative process. Here I am in Figma. I designed this dashboard based on one design system that I found in Figma community. I like it very much. It's the design system called Fractal Design System by Leah Madness. I like it because it's not a very obvious design system. It has some character and it's more interesting to do something with character. I created a dashboard as you can see here with this design system. With a side menu, I have some information above and place for a status and place for an alert. I want to create this page in V0. It will help me to create the design exactly how it is in Figma. There is no need for the handoff process that you show to the developers how to design. It's basically take all the attributes here from Figma, import them to V0 and develop the page for you. So how we do it? I select the frame, go to share, click on copy link, and then go to V0, paste it there and develop. This is the V0 interface. As you can see here, you can add some prompt and generate design based on that, but also you can import for Figma as you can see here and also upload the file. For our case, that's import from Figma. I click here, paste the link and click on next. Now you can see the design I asked V0 to create for me. I will click confirm and let's see the magic. It created now the React code and then we will be able to see all the screen in one moment. So that means that if you are not a developer, you also can create pages and application. Just you need your idea, design in Figma, and then the AI and V0 will handle all the stuff. As you can see here, this is the design we get. It is very close to the design in Figma. It's missed some stuff like the color here in the background, but we'll fix it in one moment. You can see that the background color here is white, but our is a little bit yellow. If I click here, you will see it in full screen. Let's close. And you can see it also in another tab. I click here and you will see the design in another tab. I mean, amazing how it's look. It's very close to the design in Figma. I believe with tweaks, it will be 100% the same. Here, the information in green, it's below the number. So we need to fix it. Also happened in all these cards. Now let's fix all the bugs and you will see how it's easy to do it. I am now here in the interface of V0 and what I can do now is select specific component. I click here on select the component and then go to Figma. Let's take the color from Figma. This is the color in Figma and I will ask it to change the background to that color. I paste the prompt, please change the background color to the color from Figma that we took and let's see it and see the magic happens. So it's make the change. As you can see here, the color change all. Let's open it in full screen. Here, you can see that it's very easy to make the changes. Instead of going to the CSS and search for the specific asset there, you can change it directly from the screen. In a case you want to back to the previous version, you can click here and you can select between the versions you design. The next thing that I want to do is to take this text and add it below the number as we have it here. I select the component now and add a prompt inside. So you can see here, I added the prompt. This needs to be 1 line below. Apply the same change to all the text components that appear in the card in this div. Of course, I can go to the CSS and the HTML and take the exact selector, but I want to take it further and see if the AI can understand me without being very specific. I will hit now on submit and let's see if it's understand me. So here is the result. Amazing. It's take all the text, put them below. I will click on full screen to see how it's look. It's amazing. It's understand me, although my prompt was vague. Let's make one change before we finish. I will ask it to change the typography to other typography. Let's see how we can make changes inside the HTML in a very simple way and iterate on the design inside the browser and not in Figma. Okay, I am here. I go to the chat, paste here, change the typography to typography LoRa. Let's see how it's changed all the typography inside the page. Now you can see the change, everything changed to LoRa typography. Let's open it in a big screen so we can see it. Look, amazing. Before we have sans serif typography, now we have LoRa, that is serif typography. And basically it is amazing. So give it a shot. Thanks so much for watching. If you are looking for product design to level up your business or you are curious about bringing AI into your workflow, my contact info down in the description. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment. I would love to hear your thought or any questions you have got. See you in the next one. Take care.